Welcome back everyone. So let's talk about the object destructuring. Okay, so this is the basic snippet of the code which is showing the same thing. We are creating the user object from the name and age variable. Okay, earlier in the ES5, if you want to create an object, then what you are doing, or object, then you are creating a JSON object here and assigning the name equal to some constant, and then whatever you have, some kind of a data 5. So this is earlier you were doing to create an object, but now if the property has already been initialized, you can create an object directly like this. So another example is like this. Object destructuring means extracting the value and assign it to an object. So what we are doing here, 1 and 2 are being directly assigned to the A and B. So when you put a console log A comma B, you will get a 1 and 2. Similarly, object destructuring means whatever, because this function is returning some object, okay, whatever the object this function is returning, I'm directly assigning that to some variable A and B. So this for function is being assigned to the A and B, so the A will be assigned to the 1 and B will be assigned to the 2. This is the destructuring, is means nothing but extracting the value and assigning that to the values. Similarly like this, 1 2 3, I'm directly assigning A will be assigned to the 1, B will be assigned to the 3. Okay, so you can also use a spread operator with the object destructuring. What I'm doing here, A will be assigned to the 1 and B will be assigned to the array of two variables 2 and 3. Okay, so you can also use the spread operator, triple dot operator with the object destructuring anywhere. Okay, let's talk about the same thing with the object shorthand and function shorthand. Okay, so if you see this is the function, this is what we were writing in the ES5. Object filters were simply collections of the name value pair. Okay, we were writing the name value pair wherever we are returning. Okay, now in the, if, because name is being assigned to the name with same property, age is assigned to the same property, but this was the ES5 syntax. Now we can use the object shortening. This is called object shortening. If you are returning the name and age only, then you can write it like this. So when the property name is going to be the same as the local variable name, you can simply include the name without a colon. That is an important aspect. You will see at a lot of places, every time you will be expecting that name colon name, age colon age. But if the name and value property value pair are with the same, represented with the same name, then you can directly write it something like this. This is called object shorthand. Similarly, in the function shorthand, you can say method initializer shorthand in the ES6. Earlier what you were doing, we were writing the same name colon function, then writing it. But right now you can just represent the function name, no need to use the function keyword. So this is called a method initializer shorthand. Okay, and this is object shorthand. So this is called object destructuring or array destructuring, whatever you want to say. Array destructuring means you have some array, now you are assigning that directly value to the a comma b comma c from the left hand side. So you are extracting the value from the array and you are assigning. That is called array destructuring. This is called object destructuring or object shorthand, and this is function shorthand, method initializer shorthand. Thanks everyone.